Welcome back to Ionic 4 tutorials. Today's learning part is Angular Google Map. So we are make working example with Ionic 4 with Angular Google Map. So yeah, for that demo, I created a blank project in Ionic 4. So you can create as per your requirement like side menu project or tab bar or blank or something. So yeah, here is my project which is created. So uh, that was the website of angularmaps.com. So yeah, in the getting started page, you will see the installation part here, like how to set up map and all right. So here is the command for installing AGM core in our project. So just copy that command, Angular core module. We are going to install that. Just copy and paste. Yeah. So that's installed successfully. Yeah. Next, we have to add that module in our uh, project module. So just we are just copy that. Yeah. Here is my project. Uh, So in Ionic 4, there is a two module there is app.module.ts file as well as home.module.ts file. So we have to add that module in our home.module.ts file, not in the app.module.ts file, right? So just copy and paste, and yeah, here is the AGM core module, and here we have to pass our Google Map API key. So yeah, uh, from after the route module, we are adding that AGM core module, and I have that my API key on place, so I am just copy it and paste it here. Yeah, so you have to find your API key from this link. Right here is the link given in the Angular Map website. So yeah, so now we have to add that component in our page, like in HTML page and TS page, right? So we are just copy that title string, late, long, and all. Next is just copy that HTML page. Yeah, so that's it from that end. And yeah, without giving height to the map is not displaying on the page. So don't forget to give the height to the HTML map. So yeah, I think that's it. So we are not making APK here, we are just running ionic so command, because that's we can that we can get that map on web as well. So that works with ionic, so no need for making APK and all. Yeah, that's running, and they are displaying the marker on the particular lat long which is given in our TS file. So that was the basic thing. So yeah, mostly we here we give height 300 pixel and all. So if I have to use map with my like 100% of the my website uh, or something. So we have to do some little bit of CSS, but we are focusing on Ionic 4. So we have a platform uh, functionality, so we can get some platform information like height and width. So yeah, here we get height of our actual device. So here is the we are reporting one platform that's coming from at direct ionic angular package. So that's platform. So just copy it, and I'm declaring constructor here. Okay, that should be a small p, and here is the platform. So here we can use the platform dot height. So we will get our height of our device as per our, like if you are running on some another device or somewhere, right? So height will be a different for each and every devices for Android, right? So we have to pass that height to the our map. So according to that, height of map will be set automatically. So yeah, we are removing the title and make map on a full screen. So here we have to write styles dot height dot px, and we will store that height in a height variable. So just copy it, and here we take one variable. Default we set that as a 0, and here we set that height to the platform dot height. So map will set that number is not assigned w tab 0. Okay, so here is the we have to do equal to, yeah. So yeah, okay. So for that we have to run that in our actually that works for browser as well. So that was the advantage of Ionic 4, that like they are getting platform height here as well, like 630 pixel and all. So if you see at the bottom bar, you will see the minus button is cut off, right? Why? Because here is the title, so we have to minus that height from this total height. So that was around 56 pixel. So here we minus that 56. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So you will see that map will comes on a full screen, and now they set according to our device size, and yeah. So that's it. Hope you like that video.